Our vision is to revolutionize the way that U.S. customers build housing in this country. Hi, I'm James Connolly, and I'm the CEO of Villa Homes. Prefab housing is a building methodology that allows us to prefabricate the homes in a factory off-site, allowing us to deliver homes faster and cheaper than traditional construction methods.
I'm Jill.
I'm Colin. I'm Raymond.
And I'm Evan, and we're the Cantor family.
Actually, online, I came across Villa. It was an advertisement, and I clicked on it because, candidly, I loved the way the homes looked. It matched our style, our aesthetic. So that's what initially drew me in.
We make it really easy for homeowners to immediately evaluate what they're able to build on their properties, and then to design a home using our software and get pricing and options in real time to make it easy to build and design a home like you would an iPhone or a car. And then our team takes that from concept to keys in your hand.
The initial impression with Villa Homes was how much space you really had from the layouts. And then we have a pretty unique style to our home. It's a very functional unit. The price point was very, very good. And it looks just like our main home.
One of our goals as a company is to be a transparent partner to homeowners, helping them navigate a very complicated project of building a home in their backyard.
So the design process was a lot of fun. Villa offers a lot of options, enough where you don't feel overwhelmed by all the options given to you, but enough where you feel like the home is yours and you can customize it to how you want it.
Villa has made the process of designing and building a home easier than ever before. If you go to our website, you can instantly see what you can build in your backyard and design and customize the perfect house for you and your family.